half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Normally when baking, these are the things that you sift together: the salt, the baking soda, or the baking powder, and the flour. And this is a sifter, and I got these are Cuisinart sifters. I got these from TJ Maxx. You get 3 of them. Very great for baking and sifting like powdered sugar and different things over waffles and pancakes. The point of sifting is to get all the lumps and all the big pieces of kernels of things that will not go through. And sometimes I take my hand and just kind of press it out. And my salt is kind of a thicker grain, so we're going to get rid of that. Now, sifting is amazing if you want your cake items or cupcakes or whatever to be very fluffy. It aerates it and it gives it a fluffier texture.